Greetings to all. In this session we are going to see about the file operations, some of the file operations in Python. For that I am showing you a location where you can see some of the files, license matrix new. In this specified location we are going to create a file by name ABC. For this, through a Python program. For this I am going to open a Python IDLE shell. In this I am going to create a new file. In this file I am going to write a program for creating a file in that specified location. Here I am going to open a file. Before opening a file, we must come to a conclusion for what purpose that particular file is opened and what is that particular file name. FP is going to be the file pointer. Using this file pointer, I am going to open a file. Let me open a file by name abc.text. So this is the file which I am going to open, abc.text, and this particular file is going to be opened for writing purpose. I am going to write something in that particular file. Next, after opening the file, I have to write into the file. For writing into the file, I have to use the file pointer fp.write method. fp.write method helps us to write into the file. This is my first file program. So this is the content which I am going to write inside that particular file. After writing into that particular file, I have to close that particular file. Every file opened should be closed using the close method. Now, I am going to save this file program, Python program, by name file1, file1.py. Save this program. After saving this program, I am going to execute this program, run using F5 or run module. My program is actually executed, and when I go to that particular location, now OneDrive file here, RUB. This file is being in this OneDrive. RUB OneDrive. This one, right? I am having a file program, and ABC is the method I have. ABC is the file that I have created. Now, when I open this method by double clicking it, it is opened in a notepad, and what the content I have written here, this is my first file program. This is my first file program is entered into that particular file. So actually, file 1. In this program I have written, this is my first file program. What happens if I run this program again? See, already that file has a content like this. This is my first file program. Now I have just changed this small t, you can find here. Here it is small t. Now I have just changed this particular T to capital T, and then again I am going to run this program. I have executed this program again. Now I will close this file. Now I open this ABC file. Now what happens? The capital T, I have changed the content of the file is deleted, and whenever I call this method, a new content will be added into that particular file. If I need to append some more statement in this same file, what I have to do? Then I have to open the same file in appending mode. For this, I have to put A here. A specifies I am going to append some more content into this particular abc.text. So what I am going to change the line. My second statement. So you can also use escape sequence /n, which will move this particular statement to the next line. Now I have created a line called my second statement, and I have changed the mode to append mode. Now what happens? What should happen? A new statement should be inserted. This is my my second statement. I'll close this one. I will run this program. Now I open this abc.text. What happens? My second statement is inserted in that particular notepad file, text file. Now the third thing is I have to read the content from this particular file, and I have to write it into the IDLE shell. The output must be displayed over here. What is output? The content of this particular file has to be displayed here. For that I have to open this ABC file in read mode. Then I have to use the read method fp.read. And I have to store the content in a string. So str equal to fp.read. After storing the content in the string, then I have to print it in the shell using the print statement or close. If I execute this now, what happens? The content inside this particular program is displayed in the IDLE shell. So this is the way you have to open a file, you have to write into a file, and you have to append a file. Then you have to read the content of the file using write method and read method. Thank you.